Good morning, Mandal. Welcome back to today class. In continuation of previous class, now we will discuss about the alkylation and acylation reaction. In that, the first one is Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. So this reaction also proceeds via three steps. The first step is the generation of electrophile or the formation of electrophile. Formation of electrophile. In this step, the methyl chloride or alkyl chloride, when we react with anhydrous aluminum trichlorides to gives methyl cation plus AlCl4 minus. So this methyl cation can attack on benzene rings to give methyl benzene or alkyl benzene. So now after completion of first step, we will go for second step. In this step, formation of carbocation intermediate or carbonium ion intermediate. Here benzene will react with methyl cation to gives. Here when the electrophile approaches towards the benzene, the carbon in the benzene acquired positive charge and another carbon acquired negative charge. And this electrophile, the methyl cation attack on a carbon which is having negative charge to gives carbonium ion. This carbonium ion is stabilized by resonance structure. So in this we have three resonance structures. The combination of three resonance structures gives resonance hybrids. By losing one proton, this resonance hybrid gives final product. So final product or removal of proton. Removal of proton. Here after removal of proton, this resonance hybrid gives final product, that is methyl benzene. Friends, this is about the Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. Once again I am repeating. So this is also a electrophilic reaction of benzene. So in this reaction, this reaction proceeds via three steps. The first step is formation of electrophile. In this first step, the methyl chloride or alkyl chloride, when we react with anhydrous aluminum trichloride AlCl to gives methyl cation, then this electron can attack on benzene to gives resonance structures. The combination of these resonance structures to give resonance hybrids. The removal of proton, the resonance structure gives final product, that is methyl benzene. So this is about the Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Now we will discuss about the next reaction, that is Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Now we will discuss another reaction, that is Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Here this reaction also proceeds by three steps. The first step is formation of carbocation, formation of electrophile. CH3COCl, it is a acyl chloride. When you react this acyl chloride in the presence of anhydrous aluminum trichloride or AlCl3 to gives keto electrophile CH3 esto electrophile. This is called esto electrophile plus AlCl4 minus. This esto electrophile when attack on benzene ring to give resonance structure. These resonance structures are stabilized by different types of resonance structures and gives resonance hybrid. The removal of resonance hybrid to gives final product. Here this carbonium ion intermediate stabilized by resonance structure. So in this resonance structure we have total 3. So the combination of these three resonance structure gives resonance hybrid. By removal of proton, this resonance hybrid gives final product. Resonance hybrid. So the final step, that is the removal of proton. The removal of proton or final product. The removal of proton. So in this third step, removal of proton takes place and to gives final product here. Again, friends, once again I am repeating Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. So this is also an example for the electrophilic substitution reaction of benzenes. So this reaction proceeds via 3 steps. In this, the first step is the formation of electrophile. Here acyl chloride, when we react with anhydrous aluminum trichloride to gives esto electrophile. This esto electrophile can attack on benzene ring to gives carbonium ion. This carbonium ion is stabilized by resonance structure and the combination of these resonance structure to gives resonance hybrid. The removal of H plus, the removal of proton of this resonance hybrid to gives final product, that is estophenone. This is about the Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction, friends. These are the very important question for your examination point of view. The nitration of benzene and the Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction and Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. These 3 are the very important for your examination point of view. Friends, once again I am repeating all those questions. What is aromaticity and explain